Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Cristina Folguera, and I'm going to explain how to solve a paper. This is the information of the model. Her name is Andrea Perez Garcia. She works in an Elme manufacturer as an administrative official. Her professional group is 5, and her contract is indefinite. She works in full-time. The evenings, base salary 1050 euros. She has 2 extra payments for year of base salary in June and December. The seniority bonus is 150 euros. The overtime 10 hours, 8 euros for hour. The activity bonus is 300 euros, and the transport bonus 50 euros. The IRPF or tax rate 18%. The next step, we have to calculation the CCB, the common contingencies basis, and the occupational contingencies basis. To calculate CCB, first we have a total remuneration that we add these numbers, 1050 plus 150 plus 300 plus 50. The result are 1550 euros. And to calculate extra pro rata, we have to multiply it for 2 and divide for 12 months. The base salary is 1050 plus multiply for 2 and divide for 12 months, and the result is 175 euros. The result for CCB, we have a 1550 plus 175 is 1725 euros. The limits are 825 that 60 to 37 51 to 20. So the limits are okay. Now, to calculate the occupational contingencies, we have the total remuneration plus extra pro rata plus overtime, and the result is 50 plus 175 plus 80 are 18.5 euros. The limits are the same, 825 to 60 to 47, 51 to 20. So the limits are okay. Now we calculate 2 payslip. How to fill in a payslip. The first step, we have the dates of the employer and the employee. In this case, in a manufacturer, address, Polygon Industrial Inputs, TIF, Social Security, and the name of the employee, Andrea Perez Garcia, her NIF, and her Social Security affiliation. Her professional category, administrative official, and contribution group 5. The period from 1 March to 31 March 2017. The number of the day, 31. The first step, we calculate the earnings. And we have a wage earnings. In this case, base salary 1050. The wage complements, we have a seniority bonus, 150, the activity bonus 300, and the overtime we have 80 euros. And the non-wage earnings we have only the transport bonus, 50 euros. And plus the gross earnings we have 1630 euros. And the second step, we calculate the contribution basis joint collection items, ERPF, and company contribution to social security. The first, we calculated the common contingencies base. The total remuneration we have 1550, to extra payment pro rata we have 175, and the result is 1725. And the second step, we have occupational contingencies basic. That the result is 18.5 euros. The salary taxable base, ERPF, and this is the percentages to contributions. And the last step, we have deductions, and we calculate employee contributions. We have a common contingencies that the result is 1725, and the percentage are we have for that 70%. The result is 81.8. The unemployment is 55% that common contingencies, and the result is 27.98. The vocational training, the percentage is 10%, two common contingencies, and the result is 1.281. The overtime we have 80 euros for 70%. The result is 376. And the total contributions we have 114,262. And the impuesto sobre la renta de personas físicas, taxes, is 18% to 1630. And the result is 293,240. Total deductions we have 408.2 euros. And the net earnings we have 1221,298 euros. This is the amount to Andrea checks in Moto. And now we hope this video has been useful, and thanks for your attention. This video has been recorded for Cristina Folguera for the subject to Human Resources Management. So goodbye.